Hello folks, and welcome to my annual holiday video. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be reviewing this Bosch Max 5 washing machine. Well, it's just a little demo for you really. So it's quite a small capacity in this one. It's only 5 kilos in this one, but it's ideal for a holiday home. You've got.
Put that in.
I will do.
What are you doing, Leah?
And you've got your programs. So from there to there, you've got your cottons. Then you have a rinse, a spin, a drain, your woolen programs, your delicate program, and your easy care programs. That's your program state indicator. You've got express wash, 1200 or 600 spin here, and you've got your start button, and that's your detergent drawer. So let's get loaded.
Richard, am I to get changed for tennising? Well, yeah, I want to get away from them.
I am actually surprised that I can get everything in this load. I'm quite impressed with that. Now I'm going to use one of them capsules that gave me of a washer. I'll just place that on top of the laundry. So I've got this capsule right here. There is also a stain remover and a softener in there. Now I'm not going to add a separate softener. I didn't bring it with me anyway, so I just pop that on the top of the laundry at the back. Close the door, and then select the program. Okay, so for this program, I'm just going to do a standard 30 cotton express. So I'll just turn it to that program. Hit express wash, and then press the start button. So that's a brief overview of this Bosch Max 5 1200 RPM washer. Unfortunately, I cannot do any more videos of this washer because I'm not doing any further access to it, unfortunately. So this will be the only video. So hope you've enjoyed that video. And until next time, see you again very soon. Bye for now.